Good morning, dear students. In today's lesson, we are going to be discuss about your distributive property of addition, our multiplication. Okay, we know what is multiplication, and today we will discuss about your distributive properties. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin. Now, all of you, open your page number 49. What is that? Distributive property of addition over multiplication. Okay, students, let me explain through an example. You just read your example which is given in your book. It's very clear that how the distributive and addition distributive properties with addition will work together. We will get it clearly. So let's read that one. What is that? Tanya works part time in an ice cream parlor. Okay, Tanya works part time in an ice cream parlor. She worked 3 hours on Wednesday and 5 hours on Thursday. 3 hours on Wednesday, remember, and 5 hours on Thursday. If she earn 30 rupees an hour, if she earn 30 rupees an hour, how much did she earn on these 2 days? The respective days name, can you tell me? That is what? Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, but she is doing 3 hours on Wednesday and 5 hours on Thursday. If she earn 30 rupees an hour, how much did she earn on these 2 days? We can think of the problem in two ways. Okay, let me say she work, just a second. She work on Wednesday 3 hours and on Thursday 5 hours. Okay, and how much she earned? She earned 30 rupees, and 1 hour per hour she is earning 30 rupees. So in this 3 day also, when he will do 3 hours, then also she will get per hour 30 rupees. If she will do 5 hours, then also she will get 30 rupees per hours. So if you want to get how much she will earn, you have to multiply this one with this 3 hours and with 5 hours. And this statement we can write in the two ways. First way is like that, and second way we can say 30 into 3. Yes, that means for 3 hours also, per 1 hour she is getting 30 rupees, and for 5 hours also she is getting per hour 30 rupees. Okay, in this way we can write this statement. Okay, now can you solve it? Yes, obviously, because this 30 into 3, that is what, student? 30 into 3, let me write where I will write. Okay, 30 into 3 plus 5, that is what? 3 into 30, you can say 3 into 30 is 90, plus 30 into 5, 150. Okay, so now you tell me 150 plus 90 is what, student? 240. Got it? We have got 240 rupees she will earn in, what is the question? How much did she earn on these 2 days? She can earn 240 rupees in these 2 days. Okay, if we have done in this process, then we are getting 240 rupees. Okay, if we will do another process, that is what? 30 into 3 plus 30 into 5. Now you tell me what will happen. 30 into 3, that is also 90. 90 plus 30 plus into 5, that is 150. Okay, now you tell me 90 plus 150, that is 240. Did you observe one thing? In both cases we are getting same answer. Both cases we are getting same answer, student. And this process is called distributive properties over multiplication. Distributive property of addition over multiplication. See, here it is multiplication is also there and addition is also there. So what we can say, this statement is called distributive properties of addition over multiplication. Got it? Very good. Now see, this mathematical sentence illustrates a property linking addition and multiplication. Both are there. Addition is also there as well as multiplication is also there. So in fact, this properties is called distributive property of multiplication over addition, or just you can say distributive property. Now, if you don't want to say distributive property over addition or multiplication, then you just say that is called your distributive properties. Okay, got it? Now come to the next point. That is what, from the diagram it is clear that just here it is given one rectangle, and here the side is what, 4 centimeter. Here it is, this much is 3 centimeter and that much is 7 centimeter. Okay, now you can say this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to that side. Clear? Now say, student, if we want to find that, then what you will do, if a, b and c are the three whole number, a, b and c are three whole number, then you can say a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Okay, got it? Or else if you want to convert it, I mean change the place, then also it's okay. If you want to write b plus c into a, then also you can write the same answer. Okay, got it? If instead of two numbers we have the sum of three or more numbers, then also this property hold, or this properties occurs. Okay, then a into b plus c, here it is, how many digits are there? A, b plus c, only 2 digits are there. Instead of 2 digits we can take more than 2 digits, that is 3 digit also. 3 digit, 4 digit also we can take. Here it is given that statement. Okay. Now, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Students, this is nothing but this is similarly to your addition, but instead of plus, here it will be minus. Okay, and one more thing, your b or the first number must be greater than to your second number. I mean, suppose a into b minus c. Here your b must be greater than to c, then only it is applicable, otherwise it will not. Okay, let us see. Like that, for the addition, the distributive properties of multiplication held in case of subtraction also. Similarly, it will work on subtraction also. Okay, so 5 into 7 minus 3. 5 into 7 minus 3 is what, student? You let's just see your example. 5 into 7 minus 3. Here you just see 5 into 7 minus 3 means what? 7 minus 3 is what, student? 4. So 5 into, first of all you have to subtract this one. 5 into 7 minus 3 is 4. So it is 20. Got it? Okay. Then 7 minus 3 into, what is that? 5 into 7 minus 3. That is also same. Condition is apply here. What is that? If A, B and C are the three whole numbers and B is greater than C, as I told you, I have already told you, okay, that B should be greater than to that C, then A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C, and B minus C and into A is equal to B into A minus C into A. Condition is that your B must be the bigger than C. Hope you are understood. Now next point is what? Consider the whole number 8, 5 and 12. Here 8 is greater than 5, 8 is greater than 5. Okay, then and 12 is a number other than 0. That means 12 should not be 0. A should not be 0. Here A is equal to given 12. Okay, if we multiply both 8 and 5 by 12, we have 8 into 5, 12 is 96 and 5 into 12 is 60. So 96 is greater than to 60. Are you getting my point? Yes. So if A, B and C are whole numbers such that A is greater than B and C is not equal to 0, then A into C is greater than B into C. What is that statement is saying? A, B, C are three whole number. Okay, here A is greater number. A is 5. Just a second. Suppose A is 5, then B is 2. Okay, and C is not equal to 0 means C is 3. Got it? And then A into C. A into C means this one 5 into 5 into 3 is 15 and is always greater than, just see, that is what, 15, and 3 into 2 is what? 3 into 2 is 6. This is always greater than, that first one will always greater than. That is the statement is saying. Okay, got it? Now turn on your page number 50 and you just fill in the blanks. Students, you just remember one formula. What is distributive properties? What is distributive properties? Remember, if you have 3 digits like A into A, B, C are 3 whole number, then you can say A into B plus C, and or else in subtraction A into B minus C. That is your distributive properties. Okay, this rule will apply in your whole exercise. You have to keep it in your mind, this two formulae. You can say formulae also. Okay, so let's start to solve example 1, and today I will discuss only example and you have to do the related question with that example. Okay, so just open your page number 50, then do it simultaneously with me. Eight thousand 8,357 into 1 is what, student? If you will multiply a number with 1, that answer will always come the number itself. That means that is 8,300, the number itself 8,357. 8,357. Okay, then next one. If you will multiply 0 with any number, the answer will come always 0. You know that very well. No need to say again and again. Then what is that? Bit number 3. 789 into 835 is equal to 835 is given, student. What will be the next number? Obviously 789. No need to stare that question, it's very simple one. So now bit 4, 65 into 48. Okay, 65 into 48 is equal to 65 into 50 minus 65 into 65 into 40 minus, here you just see 48 is there. What should we do so that it will come 50? 45 instead of instead of 48 we can write 50 minus 2. Okay, so here it is written 50 is written here, so you can write, because it is multiply with distributive properties, that will multiply with these two things, no? That's why first one is 50 and second one is 2. Got it? Okay, now your related question is here, exercise 2D, question number 1, 2 and 3 I will do, we will discuss together, but 1 and 2 you must have to do. Okay, now come to the next point, that is what, using switchable arrangement find the product of the number. Okay, here you need to find the easiest number, so that which number you will multiply with that number, so that you will get the answer easily. The concept is you need to find the answer easily, no need to take panic. Okay, that's what I am saying. Here you just see your example 2, 8, 9, 25, 3. 8, 9, 25 and 3. Okay, what you have to do it, you need to do it here, which number you will multiply with. Okay, let us see. 8, 9, 25 and 3. So which number you will, this is 5 not 25. Okay, it's not working actually. 25. Which number you will multiply to this, so that you will get, you just arrange it. Okay, 25 into 8, you just try to find out 0. Okay, if you will multiply 25 with 8, then you will get, what you will get, 200, definitely 200, into 9 into 3 is what, student? 9 3 is 27. Now you can easily find out, because no need to take multiply the 0, because after getting the product you can put 00 or 20. So 27 to the, you need to understand. Okay, 27 to the is 54. 54 then 00. Easily you have got the answer. Hope you understood. Now we will see the next one. Next one is what, student? 4, 897 then 25. 4, 897 and 25. Here you look at this question, just see, student, if you will multiply 4 with 25, then you are getting 100. So you got that one. So 25 into 4 into 7 into 89. Okay, first of all you multiply this 2, you will get 100. Then 87, 7 into 89. 7 into 89, that is 897. Now you got, simply you have got the answer, 897 and 00. Okay, like that you have to do your question number 4. Your question number 4. Students, your homework is not homework, you can note it down in your copy, and after that video you have to do this homework. Okay, so Question number, example 3. What is that? Find the value of the following using properties of multiplication. So, what is that, student? Find the value of the following using properties of multiplication. What is the properties of multiplication here? We have learnt distributive properties and it is applied here. So you just observe this question. What is that? 37 into 865 plus 18 into 865 minus 49 into 865 minus 6 into 865. The common number is what is here? 865 is present in everywhere, so we can take out the common for that number. So 865 is your common number, then rest of the number you can write as it is, that is 37 plus 18 minus 49 minus 6. So after adding, what is that, 37 plus 18 is what, student? 55, and minus 49 minus 6 is 55. Okay, minus 55 and minus 50, 55 minus 55 is 0 into 865 is 0. Got it? Similarly, you have to do your question number 5. Question number 5. What is that? You just see 972 into 8 plus 972 into 8. You just see what are the common number. 972 only the common number, and rest of the number is 8 plus 2. Now 972, this is what, student? 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, if you will multiply this 972 into 10, then you will get 9720. Okay, got it? Like that you have to do the rest of the question. Now question number 6. Using properties of addition and multiplication, find each of the following product. Students, here you just invest your mind little bit, because some tricky point is there. If you will catch that one, then you can do easily, because it is given, you can say combined base. A and B is already given, and you need to convert A into B plus C. Okay, A into B plus C. What is that? 900, you just look at your question number 6, bit 1. 928 into 857. So now we can break down to 928. So what will become? It will become 900 plus 28. 20 plus 8. That means, as I told you, A into B plus C plus D. If it is more than 3 digit, then also there is no problem. So you can convert it in that format, then you can go for it. Then you will do it easily. There is nothing to worry about it. Okay, so it became 900 plus 20 plus 8 into 970, where it is, 928 into it is become 928 into 857. Okay, got it? Now you have to solve it by multiplying or by using the distributive properties. Okay, student? If you have doubt, then you put your comment in your YouTube comment box so that I get to know where you have doubt. Okay? Student, you don't watch this video only for entertainment purpose. This is educational video. I have been telling you, you have to note it down in your mathematics copy. Then you do your homework regularly. Okay? This is our sincere request to all of you. Now see your question number 7, multiple choice question. What is that, student? Question number 7. The multiplicative identity for the set of a whole number. Whole number is starting from starting from 0. Okay, so what is a natural number then? Natural number is starting from 1 and your whole number is starting from 0. So you can say the multiplicative identity for the set of whole number. If you will multiply 1 with any number, the number is coming itself. So 1 is your multiplicative identity. Which expression doesn't have the same value as the expression is given here, that is 8 into 5 plus 36. So first one is we can add this 36 plus 5. 36 plus 5 is what, student? 41 into, you can say 8 into 41. First one is, that is only we need the different one. And second form we can write 8 into 5 plus 8 into 36. Here it is given 8 into 5 plus 8 into 36. There is no difference between that number. Okay, now see 8 into 5 plus 36, this is a little bit different. Okay, then now see, this is 40 plus 8, that is 48 into 36. That is also the same thing, but answer is here this one. It is completely different, and that's what the question is asking you. Now question number 10. 473 into 23 is equal to 473 into 20 plus 473 into 3. This mathematical sentence represents, what is that? Distributive properties. Distributive properties, because what is distributive properties? A into B plus C. That is here distributive properties. Here it is represented like that. Okay, student, hope you understood, all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.